Okay, I have a new routine for you today, and for this we actually just need 36 cards, so we won't need the whole deck. Now if I can have you just come in here and just randomly cut the deck wherever you would like and complete the cut. Very good. Okay, I'm going to deal out 3 piles of 12, so 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I'm going to assume I have 2 spectators here, even though you wouldn't have to have more than one spectator. 9, 10, 11, 12, and then final 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, what a bunch of work. Okay, so 3 packets of 12 cards each. Okay, and now for each of these, in fact, I could even have you do it here. Just deal out half the cards, 4, 5, 6. So we have a couple of piles of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A couple of piles of 6 there. 6 and a couple there. Now, what I need you to do, so maybe I can turn to spectator A on the left if I have 2 spectators, and then I have a spectator B on the right. So spectator A, can you point to any 2 piles? It's a free choice. This one and this one? Okay, very good. Maybe I'll put these up here out of the way. Okay, so you chose these 2 right here. Okay, so what I need you to do is just help me bring those together. This is called a rosette shuffle. Okay, very good. Maybe we'll set it over here as kind of mixed a bit. Keep it in camera view. Spectator B, can you choose 2 of these? This one and this one. Okay, same thing. We'll do a rosette. Bring those together. What a mess. Okay. And then we just have 2 here for spectator A at the end. We'll do a rosette. Can I have you just come in here and help me? Okay, very good. Now we'll go ahead and square up each of these. Okay, so we can be neat and tidy here. And now we're going to do something I don't think has ever been done in the history of card magic. We're now going to take these 3 and rosette shuffle them. Okay, bring them together however you like. Now they're going to bump up against, oh man, they are. They don't like each other. I hope this works out. Okay, whoa, believe it or not, we are done. So what I need you to do, spectator A, is I need you to choose 2 random odd numbers between, let's say, 3 and 33. Okay, so can you think of 2 random odd numbers between 3 and 33. You want 7 and 13? Okay, great. Spectator B, can I have you choose 2 random even numbers between, let's say, 4 and 32? You want 4 as one of them? Okay, 4 and what else? 18. Okay, so 4 and 18 for you, for even numbers. 7 and 13 for spectator A on the left. Okay, now believe it or not, I have a written prediction off on the side here. So I'm going to just bring that out here and we'll kind of take a look at what I predicted might happen here. Okay, so dealing with the odd numbers, I have a prediction here. From either end of the packet at odd positions, so you chose 7 and 13, I believe, the number of red cards versus the number of black cards will differ by exactly 1 or 3. Okay, so let's go ahead and just check that here. Okay, so first off, we have to be able to see the cards. So I'll go ahead and try to spread them out. I think we can see them without going off the camera view too badly. That's pretty good. Okay, now this is important, spectator A. Do you want me, let's say for your first odd number, which I believe was 7, do you want me to count from the left side or the right side? So from the top of the packet or the bottom, it's your choice. From the top, okay. So we're going to count down 7 from the top. And the prediction is the number of red versus the number of black will be exactly 1 or 3. Okay, so let's do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's 7 right there. Okay. How many red cards do we have there, spectator A? 1, 2, 3 red cards. How many black cards do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is the difference between 4 and 3 1? It is indeed. Okay, so that first part of that prediction, we somehow nailed it. Okay, oh, now you chose a second odd number. It was 13, I believe. Do you want to go from the left or the right hand side here of the packet as it's spread on the table? You want to go from the right now? Okay, that's fine. It's a free choice. So 13, I believe, is the number we're looking at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right there, the 2 of clubs. Count the number of red cards for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many black cards? Well, it's going to have to be 7, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's the difference between 7 and 6? It's 1 as well. So we absolutely nailed our first prediction there. Okay, now spectator B, you chose even numbers, right? Remember that? I think you chose 4 and 18. Okay, so let's just take a look at that. Prediction for you is a little bit different, but not very likely to be true either. Okay, so for your first even number, which was 4, do you want to count from the left or the right? It's your choice. You want to count from the right? Okay, so we're going to count 4. So 1, 2, 3, there's 4 right there at the 7. The prediction is the number of red versus the number of black will be exactly 0 or 2. How many reds are there between the 7 of hearts and the jack of clubs? Well, there are 2. And then that leaves the 2 jacks. So we actually got a difference of 0. Okay, whoa, we're 3 for 3. Spectator B, your second even number was 18. Do you want to go from the left or the right? It's your choice. You want to go from the right again? Okay, that's fine. So 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The queen of clubs. Count for me the number of red cards. Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the number of black cards, just by subtraction there, I would assume is 9 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is indeed. So once again, our prediction here nailed it. The difference between the number of red cards and black cards was exactly 0 or 2. Whoa, okay. Well, it may be hard to believe, but this will work every single time. There's no shenanigans here. These 2 predictions will nail it every time when you rosette shuffle 6 packets of the type that we'll talk about in just a minute together. Okay, so quickly, in fact, really, I only need to tell you one piece of information. How was the deck set up? And the deck was set up as an alternating red-black or black-red packet or deck. That's the entire setup. So if you do all of the steps that I just showed you, and the rosette shuffling that we offered to the spectator as they randomly chose piles, these 2 predictions will be absolutely correct. For any odd positions from either side of the packet, or any even positions from either side of the packet. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so I can add a few notes in the description below, but you should be able to do this right away. And I can add a link regarding the Charlier shuffle, which is the false mixing I did at the beginning. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.